A very good morning, kids. In last class, we discussed about thermometer, right? And we have two types of thermometer. First one is the clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Okay. And the clinical thermometer is used in clinics and the thermometer that measure our body temperature. Thermometer is measured, our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. And hold the thermometer in your hands. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. Clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube and it has a bulb at one end. This is the bulb. Long, narrow, uniform glass tube and it has a bulb at one end. This bulb contains mercury. And outside the bulb a small shining thread can be seen. Small shining thread of mercury can be seen. Okay, if you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. You will also find a scale on the thermometer. The scale we use is a Celsius scale indicated by degrees C. Celsius scale, right? In last class we discussed about the two scales, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, right? Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. And so, but nowadays we have to use the thermometer and it has a Celsius scale. And the Celsius scale is indicated by degree C. This is the degree and C. Okay. And already we learned why the mercury only is used in the thermometers, right? I hope everyone understood that mercury is only one and only metal in liquid state. And the metals only expands when we heat. Right? So, and the mercury is only one and only metal in liquid state, and all the metals we found it in solid state, right? Iron, then silver, gold, okay, remaining all the metals, aluminium, copper, okay, all the metals is we found it in solid state, but mercury only in liquid state. That's why we can use the mercury in thermometer, because the metals only expands when we heat. Okay. And a clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. This is the range of clinical thermometer. 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius only. That means in between the temperature only we can measure through clinical thermometer. Between the temperature of 35 to 42 degrees Celsius only we can measure through clinical thermometer. Okay. What are the precautions you should take while using a clinical thermometer? Okay. Thermometer should be washed before and after use. And preferably with an antiseptic lotion. Must we have to wash the thermometer before and after use with antiseptic solution. And ensure that before use the mercury level is below the 35 degrees Celsius. Must we have to arrange the temperature of the clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, when we are before use the mercury level is 35 degrees Celsius. And rate the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of straight, line of the straight. That means like this, we have to take the readings from the thermometer. Like that, we should keep the thermometer. That means along the straight of line of straight, along the line of straight, and we can take the readings. Okay, next one. Handle the thermometer with care. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hot object, it can be break. If it hits against some hard objects, it break, because it is made up of glass material, right? So it breaks. And do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. Don't hold the thermometer by the bulb, where it has the bulb. In that side, we didn't hold. We don't hold the thermometer, okay, while reading it. These are the precautions we should take while using the clinical thermometer. Okay. And what is the normal body temperature? The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. And note that the temperature is stated with its unit. We have a scale on the thermometer, right? In last class we discussed about that. We have a scale, right? That means long line and short lines. Long line and short line, isn't it? So what is the normal temperature of human body? 37 degree Celsius. 37 degree Celsius. Sometimes it increases and it decreases. That's why we have the scale. That means limit of the temperature of clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay. And today homework is, if you have a thermometer, means take the thermometer and measure the temperature of some hot objects. Okay. For example, your body temperature and your mother, your father or your siblings, and tea also. Okay, you should take the temperature of tea and hot water. Just warm water. No, not hot water. Warm water is enough. Okay, like that you should take some readings and send it to my number. This is the homework for you, and make a reading video also. Reading video and send it. Okay kids, thank you.